Do you want to know the 12 feminine traits that make a man chase you? Do you want to learn how to make a man want you and desire you deeply? You don't have to be a supermodel or have the perfect body. According to relationship experts and science, there are 12 effective feminine traits that will make him see you as someone special and worthy of his time and attention. If you showcase these traits, he will not only want to chase you, but he will authentically desire you. Make sure to watch the information in this video with great attention. If you are new here, this channel is all about teaching you social psychology videos. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let's start. Number 1, be mysterious. If you want to get a man's attention, it's important to keep some mystery in your relationship. If he knows everything about you, he will quickly get bored. But if there's always something new to discover, he'll be interested in continuing to learn about you. One way to maintain mystery is to avoid revealing everything about yourself at once. Instead, give him glimpses into your life and let him slowly piece together the puzzle that is you. Also, don't be afraid to be a little unpredictable. Keep him guessing by changing your routine and doing things that surprise him. By showing him that there is always more to learn, you keep his attention firmly on you. Number 2, flirt with him. The boys love when girls flirt with them. There is something about flirting with something that makes guys fall deeply in love with the woman they see. This is something that works with every guy every time. A woman who can flirt is a woman who makes the relationship interesting and romantic. Flirt with him to get his interest. If you want him to chase you, flirt with him over and over again. Make eye contact with him a little longer when he catches your eye. Brush his leg under the table as you enjoy dinner together. Smile at him when you look his way. If he responds with flirting, you know for sure that he likes you too. Flirting with him will attract his attention and he will start obsessing over you. If you want him to pursue you, this is one of the surest ways to make it happen. Number 3, make him think about you anytime. It's easier than you think to make a man think about you even when you're not around. All you have to do is make him remember. For example, when you are together, make sure to have a good time. This is not by pleasing him or faking it, but by enjoying your own company from this moment on. Let him see the real you, fun, interesting, and easy to be around. When he thinks of you, he should feel good. If you can do that, you'll be on his mind even when you're not around. This is one of the most important female traits that will make a man pursue you. Number 4, don't play hard to get. If you want him to pursue you and truly want you, don't be an easy catch for him. Don't play hard to get, but showing you're up for the challenge. If you are too easily available, he will quickly lose interest. Instead of playing games, be honest about your feelings and give him a chance to earn your affection. Show him that you're a high-value woman with a busy, interesting life, and he'll have to work hard to catch your eye. This is one of the biggest female traits that will make a man chase you. With a little effort on your part, you can create a pursuit that leads to the relationship you've always wanted. Number 5, be funny. Guys love women who have a sense of humor and feel comfortable being goofy and silly around them. Most guys are looking for a partner with whom they can have fun. They just want someone with whom they can laugh. Share jokes and enjoy life together. If you are always serious around him, he will start to think that you are not giving him this. Try to avoid being negative when you're around him, at least when you're dating anyway. Talk about fun things, don't be afraid to joke and be silly. He will appreciate you more for this and start falling deeply for you. Focus on the positive when you're around him, and he'll see the fun you add to his life. Number 6, don't contact him quick. I know this is a tough one to start with, but this is one of the feminine traits that will make a man chase you. If you want a man to pursue you, it's important to send the right signals. The worst thing you can do is come in desperate. This often happens when a woman is too available and responds immediately to every text or call. Instead, take a step back and let him try to connect. When he does, don't rush to answer. Make sure he feels that he has your attention. This approach may seem counterintuitive, but the argument is sound. Men are naturally drawn to what they can't get, and by getting less of yourself, you increase his desire. Number 7, be confident. If you're wondering how he's chasing you, remember to be confident around him. Men go after women who are confident and happy with themselves. Men will be more attractive to women than women who don't trust them. Take care of yourself and stand up for yourself around this man, and he will respect you for it. Men love confident and independent women, so if you really want this man to fall for you, show him this side of your personality. Men look for women who can stand up for themselves and know what they want. So don't be afraid to show him your confident and independent side. Show him that you know what you want in life and in a relationship. Even if you're not really confident by nature, be confident when you're around him. If you are positive about yourself, he will be more obsessed with you. Number 8. Use your natural feminine. If you want to attract a man and make him pursue you, it is important to understand the power of feminine magnetism. This is the quality that women cannot resist men. It is a combination of confidence, playfulness, mystery, and flirtation. When you tap into your feminine energy, you become more magnetic and attractive to men. Even if you don't know it, men will pick up on your energy and be drawn to you. If you want a man to pursue you, use your natural female magnetism to your advantage. Be confident, playful, and flirtatious. Let him come to you. Number 9. Focus your interests. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is to revolve your life around a man, especially in the early stages of a relationship. For example, if you are always there when he wants to see you, he may quickly take you for granted. Instead, make sure you have a full and interesting life outside of your relationship with him. This doesn't mean you should ignore him, but it does mean you shouldn't give up everything else in your life to accommodate him. Make sure you have your own hobbies, friends, and interests that you follow whether he's around or not. Not only will this make you more interesting to him, but it will also give you the sense of balance you need. Learn the secret ingredients to keep him focused and interested in your relationship. Number 10. Show him that you're desired by other men. Be careful with this. This is one of those feminine traits that will make a man pursue you even if he's not really interested. If you want him to want you more, one of the most effective things you can do is show him that you are liked by other men. I know, to some, this may seem counterintuitive, but it works. Men are competitive by nature and want what other men have. When people feel they might lose something, they suddenly realize how valuable it is and work to keep it. The main thing is to make it unclear. When someone smiles at you, a little eye contact or a simple smile is usually enough. This will make him realize that he might lose you to someone else and work hard to keep your attention. Number 11. Be patient. One of the most common mistakes women make when dating is trying to define the relationship too quickly. If you are interested in a man and want him to desire you, it is important to take things slow and let the relationship develop naturally. When you first start dating, take your time getting to know each other and enjoying each other's company. Don't put pressure on yourself or him by trying to label the relationship or figure out where it's going. Instead, focus on having fun and building a strong relationship. If you give the relationship time to grow, there's a better chance he'll be willing to commit to you long term. Number 12. Respect yourself and love yourself first. This is hard to accept or even imagine, especially if you already have feelings for the boy. But it's important to remember that you always have a choice. If he doesn't treat you the way you deserve, or if he doesn't try to respect your feelings, walk away. You don't want to waste your time on someone who doesn't see your true worth. For many, the idea of leaving is unthinkable, but doing so will show him that you're a strong, confident woman who isn't afraid to stand up for herself. This alone may be enough to make him want you and respect you more than before. Learn how to connect with your man even when he's far away.